Hello everyone. First open your Instagram and from your profile section on the top tap on add icon, tap on story, scroll down and tap on create. Now on the top tap on sticker icon. From search or from this section find cut out sticker and tap on it. Now choose a photo or video. For example, I choose this photo and wait to creating a sticker. And after find that subject, tap on use a sticker. As you see, that image was cut out and we can use that for a story. After that, for publish, tap on your story. As you see, we make a sticker in Instagram with cutout sticker. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.